Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Exposing Andre Nijin, scammer, fake credit repair CEO, fake millionaire, and pretty much everything about him is fake. I like to use this backdrop here because it shows who he really is with the most highly rated content. Pinnacle Credit Rare exposes himself as a scammer, dark truth about Pinnacle. Pinocchio clearly implying it's a liar. Then former client exposes Pinnacle Credit Repair. So what we're going into today is how he is a CHOMO. If you don't know what that means, is he likes to have explicit relations with underage women, is in his case. And proof of that is the screenshot right here. In this screenshot, he says, "I'm not attracted to children. A young girl is not a child," where a woman is fully developed. I'm not going to use that word here on YouTube. Point is, the woman can be fully developed and even conceive a child as young as 11 years old. That's a pretty dicey thing. He's essentially skirting the line as any criminal would, saying it without saying it, in other words. And then here we decided to cover up our informant's name. He's in the Vietnam himself, just protecting him. So yes, this is edited, but it's for the integrity of our informant and who asked to be anonymous. So we're going to honor that. Essentially, it says here, he escaped San Jose with a bunch of lawsuits. He dated a Vietnamese girl, her relatives and friends who always helped him out from a house. So he was homeless and they provided him a house. So he doesn't own a bunch of real estate, okay, because he's broke and doesn't have expletive. But turns out this guy's a thief, showing this face after he stole money and this woman's car. That's who you're dealing with. He's not a millionaire. He's not a CEO. He's a scammer. He's a deceitful thief and a deadbeat, is what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good day.